In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow or block cookies for sites in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started by launching the browser. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, take a look at the top right corner of the window for three small dots arranged vertically. This is your menu button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, go ahead and select the Settings option. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Look for the section labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on that and you'll be brought to a new page that deals with a variety of privacy settings for your browsing experience. Now scroll down until you find the section titled Cookies. Let's pause here for a moment to talk about cookies. Cookies are small files stored on your device by websites to help provide a personalized experience. Sometimes they keep you logged in, remember your preferences, and present relevant content just for you. Under the cookies section, you'll see an option called Allow sites to save and read cookie data. You'll want to make sure this setting is enabled, as it's recommended for most sites to work correctly. When this is turned on, websites can store information they need to deliver a smooth, personalized experience. Next, there's an option to block third-party cookies. Enabling this can add an extra layer of privacy by preventing third-party sites you haven't visited from storing cookies on your device. Turning this on can help reduce tracking, but be aware that it might slightly affect certain site functionalities like advertising. Below these broader settings, you'll find a section for customized cookies behavior. Here, you can manage cookie preferences on a site-by-site basis, which provides flexibility for those of you who want specific controls. You can add individual sites to a list where you specify whether they are not allowed to save and read cookies or allowed to save cookies. This is particularly useful if you trust some sites more than others or want to restrict certain sites' ability to store information. Simply click to add a site, enter the web address, and choose whether you want to allow or block cookies from that specific domain. This way you can tailor which websites have access to store cookies on your device while maintaining tighter control over your online privacy, and that's it. You've now learned how to manage cookie preferences in Microsoft Edge. Adjust these settings according to your needs to find the right balance between functionality and privacy. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for joining me today and happy browsing.